Here's a hot tip. Whatever you do, don't fast forward through this video because you might miss out on a special detail. Okay. All right. Now, before I start off by just taking off, because I be talking too much, right? I want to take a moment to really acknowledge everyone that's been extremely supportive, from my members in the family, that's the 360 Booth Global family on Facebook, to my new homies on Instagram, now we're all spinning together, to all my wonderful subscribers on YouTube that just been with me from the very jump. I appreciate you guys. I really do. And you guys that are on the Facebook group that are helping each other out, I see you. Trust me, I see you. And I appreciate you guys helping each other out so much. And it helps me just, really retrospect and see that all the efforts that I've made are actually manifesting into a real loving, caring community of 360 booth operators. Today's a big day. Today is the day we announce a 360 booth winner, and how this came to be is I just feel like God put it in my heart to do what I did. So first off, I want to tell you guys, when I started my business ventures in the past, I had mentors that I feel God put in my path, because God said, David, it's time. My father figure wasn't much of a father figure. In fact, I was raised by my stepdad. But I was fortunate enough to meet mentors in my late 20s. And when I was making, average money, enough money, I started investing in books. And those books taught me a lot, especially because I applied some of the things that I read in those books, right? So I always encourage people, pick up a book. If you can read and you're not blind, pick up a book, because if you're not blind and you're not reading, that's just sad. All right, so take that. Now, when you really want to invest in yourself, reach out to mentors. You're humble enough, but hungry and ambitious enough to ask individuals that you find that you admire, that motivate you, and you ask them, hey, I would really love to know more about what you know. Would you please mentor me? And I know it's embarrassing, but that's what I did sometimes. And then also, on top of that, there were moments where I would actually pay to go to see specific people talk, and I would pay for mentoring. And that's the best money that I've ever spent, because that paid mentorship not only stirred up that just inspiration in me and gave me a different point of view, but when I was back home after that night of mentorship, I was just thinking to myself, I'm doing it. This is part of the process. This is me growing. And to this day, I'm still growing thanks to all of you. All of you guys are pushing me to be better. All of you guys are pushing me to continue to evolve in this business, primarily the 360 booth industry. Now, I know these videos are over 3 minutes, and I always try to keep these videos short, and most of the time I fail, but that's okay, because if you're still here and you're still watching this video, you're one of the real ones, and I appreciate you. So the best way to put it right now, guys, is invest in yourself. Focus on yourself. Stay away from distractions. In fact, friends, family that you currently have that are not supportive, that wouldn't pay for your 360 booth service, put them on a sideline for now. They're no good for you. Straight up. Whether it's your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, whatever, they're no good for you. But if you have those people in your life, in your circle, and you're blessed enough to have one or two that are pushing you to be better, that are saying, hey, if you go do an event and you need help, please let me know. Those are the type of people you should thank God for, because those are hard to come by. Believe me. So with that being said, here we go, guys. So there's a few of you guys that I've been really watching for a while now, and I appreciate you guys. In fact, I'm going to shout you guys out right after I announce the winner. Now, the winner is a young lady. She resides out in Canada. She booked a one-on-one with me. She was almost getting close to her budget so that she can execute and purchase her booth. Today, in fact, she called me. She had her booking for today, and she told me that she was thinking of getting the 80 centimeter booth because she said, I plan on doing this by myself, and I don't want to count on anybody to help me load and unload, because I want to make sure that I do the best that I can and that the business is going to be a reflection of my actions. So she asked me if the 100 centimeter was going to be too heavy for her to lift as a woman. And I was honest with her, and I told her it's definitely going to be challenging. So if you do switch to an 80 centimeter, not only are you easier on your budget, but it's also lighter when it comes to loading and unloading, and you can still fit up to 3 people. And after an hour of having this conversation with her, everything she was asking me about, sharing, I got a little emotional, and I realized this is the person who deserves a 360 photo booth. So I want to show you guys this beautiful individual who touched my heart. Here's a quick video of us having a conversation.
I really want to go forward with this.
Me too. I want you to be a successful 360 booth owner, because I kind of understand where you're from and what you want to accomplish, right?
Yeah.
And I appreciate you watching the channel and the videos, because you're educating yourself and you're serious about this move. And also you telling me that you've been getting quotes and you're trying to save money where you can and optimize and be efficient, and just you're ready to make a move and you're investing, and you took the time to book this one-on-one. What I'm thinking right now at this moment is that you deserve to win the 360 booth. So you are the winner. You will win the 360 booth. I will send you the 360 booth. Okay. Also, I'm gonna help you with your business. I'm gonna mentor you, and you're gonna be one of the most popular 360 booth operators in your city.
Thank you so much. Amen to that.
All right. So
yeah, thank you so much.
Absolutely. So do you want to go with the 80 centimeter booth or the 100 centimeter booth?
I want to go with the 80 centimeter.
That's smart, because you're focused that you want to do this business on by yourself with no one else's help. You're gonna be the one carrying this booth back and forth, making people smile, being at events, making their life better, because you decided to make your life better by being a business owner. So I'm gonna be very, very excited of the future for the both of us, because we're gonna get to know each other better. Let's go ahead and tackle that. I'm gonna reach out to my supplier today, and then when we get off the phone call, send me your entire address, so that we can start working on the shipping process, and also a label. We got to come up with a label for you.
All right. Thank you so much, Jerry. Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
I can't believe it either.
Okay, I don't want to call your video.
That's all right. People will understand.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful thing, and I've been struggling. There's so many people that I wanted to help with the 360 booth, but you investing in yourself and taking this seriously, I just felt like I have a winner in front of me, and I'm very happy to announce you as a 360 booth winner.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
All right.
Do you want to introduce yourself to the people?
Pardon?
You want to introduce yourself to the community really quick for me?
Yeah, my name is Vanel. I come from Cameroon. I've been living in Canada for 4 years, and physical booth business is something I really want to get into, and I hope I'll be very successful. And I wish everybody to do that big move. If they're really thinking of doing it, skip up the fears and just try it. If you never try, you will never know. So why not just give it a try?
Absolutely right. That's all you can do is try, right? Thank you so much.
Yeah, just give it a try.
All right.
Welcome.
Well, congratulations again. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video here for now.
Now, if you guys are still watching to this point, like I said, you guys are the real ones. You guys are the ones I want to hold close in this community during this lifetime, because you guys are supportive, you guys enjoy the journey, and you guys are the type of people who really want to contribute and reciprocate that support. And this really is all about reciprocation. Now, there's another 2 individuals that I want to shout out, and even though they didn't win the 360 booth, I am going to send you guys a $100 Amazon gift card to show you my appreciation, because I see you guys in the comments. I see you guys in the different platforms. So Nico, you're definitely one of them, man. I appreciate you sharing your story with me. I appreciate you, Nico, being transparent. So yes, brother, I'm sending you out a $100 Amazon gift card. Another individual here, Rosemary. Rosemary be commenting on all the videos, 360 booth giveaway. So Rosemary, I want to send that card to you as well. There's just so many other individuals, but like I said, I keep an eye on everything. I'm observant in some ways. So if you guys think you're under the radar and I don't acknowledge you or notice you, trust me, guys, there's hundreds of you guys, but I keep an eye on people. I'm terrible with names and birthdays, but I'm more of a visual person. So I'm excited to move forward with Vanelle. I'm going to be mentoring her with her brand new business. She stays out in Canada, Mounton, I think that's how it's pronounced. So it's going to be an interesting one, because she's 4 hours ahead of me. I'm here in California. So I hope you guys stay tuned in, because whatever information I'm going to be sharing with her as a brand new 360 booth owner is the same information I hope you guys can use and apply to help you with your new 360 booth business. Wow, that was an amazing video. At least I think so. So I hope you guys continue rocking with me. I'm still going to be giving stuff out every single month in whatever ways that I can help. I understand that my time has become extremely limited and a lot more valuable. And that's another thing that I really have to get used to. One cool thing that I really want to point out with you guys, and hopefully you're still watching, for you guys that are watching, I did an event with my friend this past Saturday out by the beach. There's an African American lady with 2 kids coming towards the booth. And so I asked her, like, hey, do you want to get on a booth and go for a little spin? And she's like, are you that guy from YouTube? And I was like, what? She goes, you're the 360 booth guy? I was like, yeah, that's me. She goes, I seen your video. I bought a 360 booth, and I couldn't. That's so amazing, because I don't have 1 million subscribers. I don't have 500,000 subscribers. But I was so fortunate enough to meet somebody who met me virtually on a YouTube platform and acknowledge me and recognize this face and say, hey, you're the 360 booth guy. So that did it for me, man. That was amazing. I'm so lucky. And this comes with a lot of responsibility. And so I'm going to continue doing the best that I can to help you guys out in your journey, just reflecting and sharing insight with you of things that I experienced as a 360 booth owner, director, operator, and homie. Take care.